Hello, thank you so much for tuning in to Beauty by Sewn, and thank you in advance for subscribing. I wanted to say hi, I'm Kimberly, and I'm here to show you the 5 must-have products for skin over 40, if not even maybe a little younger. Even if you have like your 40th birthday coming, start now. First is a hydrating face tonic. Go for a tonic that is water, that doesn't have a ton of alcohol in it, that is enriched with some vitamins. Use it morning and night. In fact, in the morning, a great tip is don't wash your face with a soap and water. Just refresh your skin with a tonic on a cotton pad, and make sure that the hydrating face tonic is great and safe for around the eye area to help add plumpness without adding an oil. So this tonic step is literally giving your skin a drink of water. So hydrating face tonic, I love the one by Bobbi Brown. It has a lavender scent, so it helps to calm and soothe any redness, or after a workout, it helps my skin feel refreshed but not greasy. Second step, I want you to go for a remedy or a treatment product. And my whole thing right now in the winter months is dryness. So I am using a skin moisture solution, and it is sodium hyaluronate, which is a product that helps to absorb moisture and water to the skin. So this very sheer, lightweight remedy helps to give my skin some hydration, and I know that whatever moisturizer I put on after is gonna help bind better to my skin. Little tip, ladies, always make sure whatever skincare you're using, don't be afraid to, again, go around the fine lines around your lips. Step 1, 2, 3, oh my gosh, I can barely count, is an eye cream. And eye cream, I have tweens on eye cream. Us ladies, I want you to even try an eye balm. I'm obsessed with the Bobbi Brown eye balm. It's the extra line. It helps to repair under eye darkness. It helps to build the skin. There's collagen, peptides in here. And you notice how I'm applying it? I'm gently pressing the product under the eye and not rubbing back and forth. So always press and under the eye only by day for your eye cream. Nighttime, I use the same extra eye repair balm cream night and morning, but at nighttime I will apply it all over my whole eye area. So bringing down also, I find the little bit of the eye balm to the top of the cheekbone, especially if you are a drier or dehydrated skin. Step 4 is a serum, and this extra repair serum is liquid gold. 2-3 drops. I even have my husband use this product instead of aftershave. This is helping to, again, repair my skin, add some hydration, and it's going to help with the collagen production. This serum I use morning and night, and now my skin has a slight slip. I have the hydrating face tonic on. I used a little bit of the remedy in the skin moisture solution, and now I've got the extra repair serum. So I have a glow. It feels like there's a slip, but I am gonna go for foundation. So if you know that you're gonna be wearing foundation throughout your day, make sure that either the foundation has a sunscreen in it, your moisturizer has a sunscreen in it. I'm gonna be using a foundation later that has a sunscreen in it. So I am going for my Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. And this in fact is an oil-free product, but because my skin has that cushion and that plumpness to it, I know that this oil-free primer moisturizer is really gonna help hold my foundation in place. Because I am getting ready for hosting 12 people for dinner tonight, I wanna make sure that what foundation and makeup I do put on, it's gonna hold, look great, and stay in place. So whatever your occasion, for whatever reason you're wanting to prep and prime your skin for day, there are 5 key steps. Again, these 5 key steps you could use morning and night. I hope that these 5 products, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you find helpful, especially for us ladies over 40, closer to 50. Huge hugs. Take care of your skin. Bye.